we have a rapid fire round here. I'm going to ask you a few questions and you have to answer it either in one word or one sentence, but it has to be very rapid, like maybe just in
Yeah,
5 seconds. So, shall we start?
yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay. So, which is your favorite book?
So favorite book is the best seven best practices by the world leaders.
And which is your most favorite song?
Most favorite song
Yes.
is the old movie Kabuli Wala, and that guy used to say that "Ae mere watan ke log."
Hai Mere. Okay. Beautiful song.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are really inspired by you. But what is your inspiration in life? Your role model? Who is your role model?
See, I have I don't have much role models in my life, but I admire two three my bosses in past.
Okay.
Uh, one of the guy who is HCG chairman, HCG oncology chairman, Dr. Ajay Kumar. I admire the managing director of Paras Healthcare, Dr. Dharmendra Nagar. And there used to be one guy in the Quest, also is an American guy. So I'm highly impressed with these guys and their zeal, their energy, and the way they have driven the business and taken to the heights. So these two guys have been my role models, and I get inspiration from them.
Okay. Your favorite productivity software?
Productivity software. HIS is a productivity software because it is increasing the productivity of the hospital or the laboratory. In the laboratory, I saw that there are softwares in the LIMS which are improving the laboratory uh, productivity, and there are HIS, but no HIS is a perfect HIS, which I could name one which would be increasing the productivity of the hospital. But yes, HIS and LIMS are these are the two applications which are contributing major part of healthcare industry's productivity improvement.
So, which antivirus would you suggest me to put on my laptop? Your favorite antivirus?
See, because I am coming from the security background, only antivirus will not do anything. So it is okay that you put any antivirus. So Trend Micro and any antivirus, Quick Heal, etc. Any these antivirus will do. But from the security aspect, that is not enough.
Okay, so this is the last one, and we are definitely going to note this one. So, your favorite quote? It can be a quote from a very knowledgeable person, or it can be your own quote also. Your favorite quote?
See, the mantra is you never stop, you keep going. So there is no retirement.
Okay.
I wish that I die sitting here. So that is what is the mantra. So till last you should be working.
No, sir. We wish that you live more than 100 years and keep our healthcare sector of India and other things secured.
But yeah, so you should, that keeps you young if you think that way, that there is no retirement for you. So you keep your mind keep agile for the tomorrow.
So, yes, we should just keep going. There is no
Keep going.
retirement. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, sir. I have learned a lot about a lot of things in this interview. I'm sure all the viewers who are watching this have got a lot of insights from you. I'm honored that I was able to interview you. And there are a few things which I am going to implement in my life after hearing from you. For example, the best one that I got was that we should make a note of the tasks in the morning, and next day we should also make a note of the pending tasks. It was really, really good listening to you. I'm really honored. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I would also like to thank all the viewers who have watched this interview. I hope you will keep watching more interviews of these notable talks from anytechtrial.com. And I hope to see you in future videos. Thank you so much.
Thank you.